Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I will explain application security assessment and web application testing. Okay, please like and subscribe. Okay, so let's start. Application security assessment. Okay, application security assessment is done by security professional to identify security vulnerabilities and significant issues. Okay, application security assessment involves inspection of application validation and bounds checking for both accidental and mischievous input. Okay, manipulation of client side code and locally stored information such as session information and configuration files. Okay, application to application interaction between system components such as the web service and backend data source. Okay, discovery of opportunities that could be utilized by attacker to escalate their permission. Okay, examination of event logging functionality and examination of authentication method in use for their robustness and resilience to various subversion techniques. Okay, even when deploy and secure infrastructure, a weak application can expose the organization crown jewels to unacceptable risk. Okay, application security assessment is designed to identify and assess threat to the organization through bespoke or proprietary application or system. Okay, this test checks the applications so that malicious user cannot access, okay, modify or destroy data or service within the system. Okay, so this is the application security assessment. Okay, next, web application testing. Web application testing 1. This test can be carried out. The tester proceed to acquire the target. Okay, so first is input validation. Test include OS command injection, script injection, SQL injection, LDAP injection and cross-site scripting. Other tests include checking for dependency on the external data and the source verification. Okay, so this is the input validation. And output sanitization. This test include parsing special characters and verifying error checking in the applications. Okay, next, access control. The tester checks access the administrative interface, transfer data for manipulating from fields, checks URL queries string, changes the values of client side script and attack cookies. Okay, other test includes checking for the authorization breaches, enumerating asset accessibility through the application, lapse in event handling sequence, proxy handling and compliance within list privileges access rules. Okay, so this is the access control. Next, web application testing 2. So first is checking for buffer overflow. In this test includes attack against stack overflow, heap overflow and format string overflow. Okay, next is denial of service. This test for DOS is induced due to malformed users input and user lockout, application lockout due to traffic overload. Okay, transaction request or extensive request on the applications. Okay, next, component checking. Check for security controls on web servers or application components might expose the web application to vulnerabilities such as the basic authentication. Okay, next, data and error checking. Check for data related security lapse such as storage of sensitive data in the cache or input sensitive data in using HTML. Okay, checks for verbose error message that gives more details of the application than necessary and error type. Okay, next is SQL injection technique. SQL injection may be attempted against web application to gain access to the target system. Okay, next, web application 3. confidentiality check. Okay, for application using secure protocol and encryption, checks for lapse in key exchange mechanism, inadequate key length, and weak algorithm. Okay, validate authentication scheme by attempting user enumeration through login or recovery process. Check digital certificates and use signature verification process. Okay, so this is the confidentiality check. Next, session management. Check time validate of section token, length of tokens, and expiration of section token while transiting from SSL and SSL to non SSL resource. SSL means secure socket layer. उसकी लिंक्स डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में दी है. ओके, presence of any section tokens in the browser history or cache. Okay, and randomness of section id, it means checks for use of users data in generating an id. Okay, so this is session management. And next, last one, configuration verification. Okay, attempt manipulation of resource using http methods such as delete and put. Check for version content availability and any visible restricted source code in public domain. Attempt directories and file listening. Okay, test for known vulnerabilities and accessibility of administrative interface in the server and server components. Okay, so this is the configuration verification. Thank you for watching.